like a virgin. Touch for
$20, get a little risque.
is a go-to because you could be many different hoes. I mean, I'm gaudy. Y'all, what the hell? Hi. Again, basic. You should have these in your closet. If not, you really need to get a basic. It's Halloween time. Oh shit. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a short, simple, and sweet Halloween tutorial. So these are just basic pieces that you should have in your house already. And if you don't, they're easy, they're cheap, they're affordable to get. You could get them anywhere from Walmart, dollar store, wherever. So let's just jump right into it. But first of all, can we say goodbye to my tripod? Alright, so first we're going to start off with this, which is just a plain and simple bodysuit. And I did get these $5 stockings from Party City. Perfect for Halloween. Alright, so you can get your cape. This was $19, Party City. And you could be Little Red Riding Hood. I mean, Hood. Red Riding Hood? Little Red, whatever her name is. Or you could be a sexy vampire. So of course I got me some vampire teeth just laying around. These are from the dollar store. Only $1.25. The only thing is I can't talk with those. And I got me some fake blood, and I think these were $2.99 or $3.99 from Party City. What's that movie? Handmaid's Tale. But cover up and not be a little handmaid hoe. Easy breezy, lemon squeezy. Love it. You can put your blood on your fangs, running down your mouth. You can put them on necks. I love it. Let's get to the next Medusa headpiece. So this was actually, I think, $6.99, and I got it from Party City. They do have one at the dollar store, but let me bring up my price. $6.99 from Party City. I did go ahead and paint it gold, and I also got these little snake for $1.99. Except for this one was a jewelry. This was $1.99, and I did went ahead and spray them gold as well. Put them up. I love this simple, plain, same black bodysuit, two little dollar snakes, and this was like an old necklace I had. Oh shit, I turned into a little snake. And then you could just have this guy just, you know. We like Medusa. Easy, breezy, simple, basic, simple, affordable. And if you're doing multiple parties, this is one outfit. Little Red Riding Hood, the other outfit. Then you could be a vampire. Same, black one piece. Just switching up the accessories. And of course, the most simple, easy, basic go-to. Get you some bunny ears, a little tail, and you a Playgirl bunny or a Playboy bunny. Whatever you want to do. When it comes to Halloween, a basic black bodysuit is a go-to because you could be many different hoes. I mean, creatures, whatever, in that one outfit. Let's move on to the next. If you don't have black, you could always use a plain white bodysuit and do the same thing. You could even put blood on it, or you could be an angel. And I'm literally pairing everything with stuff I have in my house. Only thing is new is my actual costume. And I just got some boots. My basic white boots and basic black boots to go with them. Y'all know I don't got no hair, so I don't know how this gonna go. A little bride. And you could have vampire teeth. I just love scary things for Halloween. Love the boots. Pair well with it. Again, basic. You should have these in your closet. If not, you really need to get a basic white and black bodysuit. Or you could be a superstar. Like a virgin. Touch for the very first time. Rock star. Or you could get you a little $2 mask and be a scary clown. and just have a knife. But since I don't have a knife, so this was my costume from last year. And I think I've been a nurse probably about 3 times at a Halloween party, but simple, easy. This was $20. The same blood that I just showed y'all, I splattered all over it. So look, basic ass Halloween costume, nurse. $20, come with a headpiece. I got these gloves, I think they were $1.99. Put my little finger, put blood all over it because I'm gaudy. Shout out to all the nurses. Y'all had a year. Alright, so now we're gonna get into my actual Halloween costume. So I got this from Fashionova. It was on sale and I got this for about $24 to $26. Let's put it on because I'm a samurai, bitch. Oh, you wrap it around her legs. Okay. Alright. And then this, I think, is the face mask. Y'all, what the hell? I'll probably wear these with regular stockings, but baby, this is a lot. So I guess you're supposed to crisscross. They could have made this very much simple and easier to do instead of all of this damn string. Really, Fashionova? Like, I'm not gonna do all of that. I'll probably just cut these off, to be honest, because this is ridiculous. Like, this is literally ridiculous. And then you tie these around your thighs. We're gonna get the scissors and we're gonna cut these off because no, I'm not. And I'm gonna be drinking? No, ma'am, no sir. So all I need to get now, the dollar store, they do have little kid sword for $1.25. But yes, I love it. Only thing I don't care for is all the straps, but it's not Halloween, so I think by then I'll strap it up by then. I'll strap it up, but right now we're not strapping nothing up. You put over your face. Are you a samurai? Yay, I like it. I like it. Let me know, should I cut the strings off or should I leave them? Like what? Alright guys, that was it. It was a short video. I didn't even think I introduced myself. Hello, welcome. I'm out of breath. My name is Vanessa. Welcome to my channel. I put out videos every week related to lifestyle, self-care, self-love. See you guys next time. Bye.
You can get a little $20 set to match your bodysuits at home. $20, get a little risque. And these will all match either your black or your white or whatever color bodysuit you have for the cheap, instead of spending $50 and $35 and all of that. Instead of an angel costume, well, I guess you could buy that. Get you a $12 ring, $12 wing. All right, come on.